Hello, my name is Ashish Kumar from class 12 and my school name is SHRI Government Senior Secondary School, Chakkarpur, Gurugram. My project is Autoswitch, a person counting device. I built this project because I was facing some issue while automating my fans and lights with the help of PIA sensor. PIA sensor is nothing but it's a sensor which sense the rapid change in the infrared or black body radiation which is emitted by objects like animals, humans, and an object which produce heat, and etc. And problems I faced with the PIA sensors are: the first problem I encountered when I try to put my ideas and build a circuit which can work, and I found detecting objects all the time and the lights were on all the times. I got confused and tried to find the solution and the reason behind this. The reason was that it was detecting sunlight because my room had a large windows, and through that the sunlights were coming, and sunlights have almost 50% of infrared. And also find out that it does not work properly when the temperature of the room is almost or greater than 35 degrees Celsius. Means that PIA sensors are not able to detect human being in the summer in some countries like India. And there are many problems which I found out in my research. The second problem is that it is insensitive to very slow motions like writing, typing, thinking. And for example, when you enter the room, a motion get detected by the PIA sensor, but after some time you sit on the table and think about something, your movement is significantly decreased. So the PIA sensor does not sense the small movement. So after some time, it will turn off the lights and fans, whatever you connected. And the third problem is that it works efficiently in the line of sight. Means that it works in the radius which is covered by it. For example, in the corners it does not covered. To solve this problem, you have to have almost 4 PIA sensor in your rooms, and it's lot. To solve this problem, I built this project of mine. As you can see, this is a prototype of a room, and the components are 2 ultrasonic sensor, 1 OLED display, and 1 DC motors, and 1 temperature sensor, and Arduino Uno. Let's assume this is a person. This is a person and trying to enter the room. He opened the gate and trying to enter the room. He enters the room. The lights and fans are automatically turned on. Fan is on because the temperature is up to 20 degrees Celsius. That's why it's on, because I coded it. And the second person trying to enter the house, the number of person will increase by 1, and it will show that 2 person has entered. Let's assume that second person is wanted to come out. Then it becomes 1. There will be 1 person. Then 1 person is also came out. Then it will be 0. It means that there is no person in the room. So turn off the lights and fan. This is the all idea. This is my project. Let's understand how this works. It works on the principle of bidirectional motion sensor prediction. Means that it tells whether a motion is coming or going by using 2 sensors. Let's deep dive. I am using 2 ultrasonic sensor. One is inside, another is outside of on the gate of the room. As you know, ultrasonic sensors gives the distance of an object in front of it by calculating time travel and speed of sound divided by 2. So if the ultrasonic sensor detects an object in the specific range of distance, it gives true, otherwise false. We are using specific range of distance because to avoid the doors, which the problem I faced in the building process. Now let's see the algorithm. let's assume that outside sensor is 1 and inside sensor is 2. If the sensor is 1, let's say we get result in increasing order, means 1 to 2. That would mean that the object is moving inside and the number of person will increase by 1. If the true appears in decreasing order, means 2 and 1, it would mean that the object is exiting the room and the number of person is decreased by 1. Let's see the example. As you can see, the number of person is increased by 1 because it moved inside, and it is decreased by 1 because of exiting the room. As you know, components I explained already. Let's talk about the markability of this product. It can be used in anywhere, any rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, halls, etc. And it can also used outside because it does not affected by the condition of the environment. The total cost would be around, to make it would be around 300 to 400 max to max. We can sell it online and offline as a DIY. It can be easy to install and make it work by yourself, and we can attach Bluetooth to control lights and fan and other devices. That would be my information about my project. Thank you for giving me a chance, and I learned so much during this process, and I'm very thankful for that.